Hey y'all, today I am making a quick and easy dinner. I've got 2 packs of sliced mushrooms. They're the white ones. This is a bottle of the Olive Garden Italian dressing. Just go ahead and pour it all over the mushrooms. It's gonna be so good. See all those herbs and spices at the bottom? Make sure you get all of that in there. Just gonna put that into our crock pot. It's one of my favorite recipes, guys. I make it all the time. It is so good. So mix all that together. I love mushrooms. Do you guys love mushrooms as much as I do? I don't think so. To that, we're gonna be adding an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. That goes right in there. And then we're gonna be adding some Italian seasoning. Now, I don't really measure all these, but if you were to measure, I don't know, I'd say probably about 2 or 3 teaspoons. I don't know what the conversion from teaspoon to tablespoon is. If you guys know, let me know, so I don't have to Google it. Because Google search right now is apparently a big old mess. Here's some garlic powder and onion powder. We're gonna be adding that as well. I like using the powders instead of the bits, especially if you are cooking this for a family. Sometimes the kids don't like the actual veggies, so powder works best. So I've got, this is a 2-pound section of these chicken tenderloins. These are great. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in on top of the mushrooms. Put that all the way around that cream cheese block. Let me know where you're watching from. I like knowing where in the country or where in the world you're watching from. So on top of everything, this is a 2-cup, 8-ounce bag of shredded Italian style cheese. It's got a few different kinds of cheese in there. Put that all over the top of this. You guys have noticed I have not added any salt to this recipe. I'm just gonna top it with a few tablespoons of, this is just regular pesto. This is what I already had in the fridge. So I've got like half a jar left from a different recipe that I used it for. Just go ahead and dump that right on top. And don't mix it in. You want to have this like little pool of pesto. It's gonna be so pretty when you open it up. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and close this up and set this on high for about 2 or 3 hours, or on low for 4 to 6. Wow, look at that. It looks so good. That little bit of pesto. Go ahead and mix in all that cheese. Remember, we put all the chicken on the outside to make it easier for me to mix up that cream cheese to make this luscious sauce. Look at it. Now, you can, if you want, you can shred this, but I'm actually just going to take a full-on piece of chicken and some mushrooms. I'm gonna put it on my little cafeteria plate. Gonna add some mushrooms to that. Looks pretty. Look at how it looks so good. Okay, it's been cooking for hours, so look at how tender. Don't even need a knife, just cuts on through. I'm gonna take this piece of, oh, it's gonna be so delicious, guys. Some of the mushroom. Now, I know it's gonna be hot because I just took it out of the crock pot, but we'll give it a try. Okay. It's so hot. It's so hot, but it's so good. I would personally have this with some rice on the side, but you can have this with noodles or even just some crusty French bread. My goodness, this is so good, guys. You have to make this. So good.